Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to run a dropshipping store without managing inventory or shipping? In this video, I will show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify and start selling in minutes. Let's jump right in. CJ Dropshipping is a popular platform that lets you source products from global warehouses, automatically fulfill orders, print your own branding like custom packaging, and sync everything directly with your Shopify store. It's free to use and super beginner friendly. Then head over to dropshipping cjdropshipping.com, click on register, fill in your email, password, and basic details, or sign up with your Google account or Facebook. After logging in, you will land on your CZ dashboard. Now it's time to connect your Shopify store. Go to CJ dashboard, hover over my CJ, then authorize and add store. Choose Shopify, click authorize now, and log into your Shopify account. Approve the permissions from here. Once done, you will see your store listed under authorized stores. Now CJ can sync your products and orders automatically. Let's import your first product. Use the search bar on CJ to browse for trending products. Like this. Click on a product, hit list or add to imported list. Edit the title, product type, price, collections, tags, etc. Then choose your Shopify store from here and then click list it now. Boom, the product is now live in your Shopify store with images, description, and pricing. Pro tip: always check shipping time, reviews, and variants before importing. When a customer places an order on your store, CJ automatically reject the order. You will see it under my CJ. Then orders, then drop shipping orders. Click add to cart and complete payment for CJ to fulfill it. You can pay with PayPal, credit card, or CJ wallet. CJ will then handle the packing, shipping, and tracking. You can track everything directly from the CJ dashboard or notify your customer via Shopify. CJ also offers branded packaging and private labeling. Go to print on demand or customize packaging. Upload your logo. Design inserts or boxes. CJ will use your custom materials for every orders. This makes your store look professional and builds brand loyalty. Here's a few pro tips. Communicate with your CJ agent for faster shipping or custom orders. Use us use US warehouse products for faster delivery times. Sync tracking numbers back to Shopify to keep customers updated. Test order your own product to check quality, and that's it. Now your Shopify store is fully connected to CJ Dropshipping. Just go to your CJ Dropshipping account or dashboard, then e-commerce platform, then Shopify, and sync here or create your new store right now. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials. Drop any questions or video requests in the comments, and happy dropshipping. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.